Okay, what is good? So, it's 9:45. It's New York session. New York just opened about 45 minutes ago. Um, hindi ko pala nasabi kung ano yung... Kasi technically, andito na ako sa charts kaninang London session pa. So, kaninang London session, naganap ako ng setup. And I found the setup. Kaso, wala siya sa time range ko. Nangyari yung move, etong down move na to. Nangyari siya around 6 p.m. ata. Yeah, 6:15 p.m. 5 p.m. nag-log out na ako sa charts kasi may I had errands to do today. So I decided, okay, balik na lang ako mamayang New York session to see kung may setup na ibibigay ngayong New York session. Okay. So basically, ang main idea here is that we are in a bullish market structure sa higher time frame. Pero, ang daily profile natin is that Asian session manipulated previous day high and previous week high. No? So, kung titignan natin, nung Monday, ganun yung ginawa ng ganun yung same exact daily profile natin ng Monday, wherein Asian session manipulated previous session highs, and then nung Tuesday ganun din, sorry, manipulated previous session high and then continued downward, and then nung Tuesday ganun din, Asian session manipulated previous session high and then continued downward. So I have to respect that daily profile. Ngayon, ang in-expect ko was that Asian session was about to manipulate those highs, which it did, and then London session will reverse, which it did, and then New York session will continue the reversal. Okay? So, tumama rin siya dito sa hourly fair value gap na to. So, that's good. We got a bearish reaction out of that. So, that's another confluence to add sa short idea natin, no? So right now, basically lang hinihintay ko na lang is a lower time frame New York manipulation. Since kaka-open pa lang, it's about at least almost an hour into market open. I want price to make a manipulation out of these like low time frame highs. Ito minark out ko yung 1 minute highs na to. So, technically, I would want price to move above these highs and then create a break of structure. And, if ever na hindi siya nag-create ng break of structure dito and nagtuloy-tuloy siya dito sa M15, ano ba to? M5 ata to. The 5 minute pala. Nagtuloy-tuloy siya dito sa 5 minute order block, then that's also good. No, dito rin ako kung tumuloy siya dito, then dito rin ako maghahanap ng break of structure. So, basically, kung saan maunang lumitaw yung 1 minute break of structure, doon ako mag-e-enter. Itong highs rin kasi na to, itong 1 minute highs na to, itong dalawang to, it is also equilibrium ng 5 minute. See? Ito. Equilibrium. So, it would make sense if price wanted to retrace back to these highs and then continue the move down from there. So, another confluence. But basically, it ang main entry signal ko is a 1 minute break of structure after it sweeps out these highs right here. So again, if it does not make a break of structure after it sweeps these highs, and it continues to go upwards towards this 5 minute order block, and dito tayo maghahanap ng um, 1 minute break of structure, no? So kapag may nahanap tayong 1 minute break of structure doon, mag-enter tayo. Kung sakali man na hindi tayo pala rin at hindi nag-sweep itong New York session dito sa mga highs na to, well, I'm not going to take a trade, fortunately, but it's okay. There's still tomorrow, there's still the next day, diba? So right now, naghihintay lang ako ng liquidity sweep dito sa 1 minute or sa 5 minute, basta low time frame liquidity sweep bago ako mag-enter. Usually hinahanap ko talaga 'yun pag pagdating ng market open. Kasi once na mag-open ng isang market, like let's say 3 PM nag-open yung London session, yung new money na yan, yung mga bagong traders na pumapasok, they would typically want to manipulate the market, no? So I am always looking for a low time frame manipulation before ako mag-enter into a trade. So, and right now wala pa tayong nakikitang wala pa tayong nakikitang low time frame manipulation except for these highs maybe. Pero that's not enough of a confluence for me para mag-short. As you can see, kung nag-short tayo dito, malamang nasa top out na tayo ngayon. So, dito tayo sa higher confluence, which is itong dalawang highs na to and this M5 order block. Okay. So, we tag the first one. Let's see kung kaya nating umabot sa second one. Hopefully it does. I think it will. No. Let's see. Anong oras na? It's 9:53. I'll wait until siguro 10:30 or 11. Kung wala akong makitang setup by 10:30 or 11, I am gonna call it a day. Kasi maaga pa ako bukas. Of course, hindi tayo pwede magpuyat. By the way, share ko lang, kakatapos ko lang din sa Tekken Tour na. Unfortunately, nalaglag ako kasi napakalag. For whatever fucking reason, napakalag. I was so pissed na napakalag. I was doing miss inputs. I was dropping combos. Oh well. Bawi na lang. Okay. So, if price decides to inverse this fair value gap, I am going to take a short. Pero sana, i-take out niya na rin tong isa pang high na to. Para more confluence. Actually, this is a low. Okay. So hopefully, i-take out niya muna tong isang high pa na to bago siya magkaroon ng break of structure. Hopefully. Kasi hindi pa ako ready. Wait lang. Okay, nice. You better bounce from there. There we go. You better bounce from there, my guy. Uy, lobat yung ano ko. Two lots. 2.5 lots. It broke structure. Pero for some reason, I'm not convinced. Oh, I think I should have entered. I think I should have entered, guys. Okay. Okay, wait ko mag-close to. Wait natin mag-close to. If it closes like this, okay. I am going to enter. Na-inverse na niya yung fair value gap basically. Pero dito dapat nag-enter na ako. Dito pa lang. Kasi nagkaroon ng break of structure dito. Dito nagkaroon ng break of structure. Okay, what are our, ang ating take profits? Oof. 1.37, ang pangit ng RR. Okay, dito. But I think we can do better than this. Wait, let me check. 1.676. 6, 7. Okay, I might be dreaming. If that's the case. Oh, shit. Hindi. Okay, I hope it rejects from here. Hopefully it rejects from here. Pero, anyway, what's my catch? Gagi, akala ko na stop out ako. Okay. But I think I might get stopped out. Sabi ko na dapat hindi ko tinrust yung ano na yun eh. Yung breakup structure na yun eh. Let's see. Sabi ko na there's something wrong eh. Dahil naghintay pa ako. Sabi na eh. Hindi ako naniwala dun eh. Medyo napaniwala kasi ako na itong week na to eh. Pero let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano naman to eh. Breakup structure. Isa ba nagsimula dito, di ba? So, ito yung order block. 1 minute order block. Hopefully, mag-reject siya dito. Ay, hindi pala ako nag-ano. Short. Saan tayo nag-ano? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Hopefully, it rejects from this order block. Kasi if it does not, then yes, invalidated yung trade ko for today. So far, so good. Looking like... Pero ideally, dapat bumababa na siya ngayon eh. I do not like the fact na it's still in the order block after 3 consecutive candles. It needs to reject here and now. Please reject, bro. Please reject me. Reject me, bro. I'm not a good boy. You need to reject me. I think I'm gonna get stopped out, guys. Please reject me, bro. I don't like that candle. It's too much. No, I don't. I really don't like that candle. I'm gonna get stopped out. Yup. No, I am not yet stopped out. But please. Okay. Okay, there we go. Sabi ko na eh. Ay, shit. Fuck me. Well, fuck. Okay. I got stopped out. Sabi ko na, dapat naghintay tayo. This was not it. This was not it. Okay. Let's go ahead and... My bad, bro. Points of improvement, dapat inintay kong ma-take out ito pang isang high na to. Kasi relative low resistance highs tong dalawang to eh. So basically, kapag na-take out itong isang high na to, very likely na mata-take out din itong kasunod na high na to. Which hindi ko inintay. And obviously, yung minark out ko kaninang M5 order block, baka dun na rin siya. Okay, see? Pero it's okay, it's okay. I'm not gonna re-enter though. I'm done for today. I lost! how much did I lose? I lost $172 from that trade. Ang laki ng ano nila. You know, the only thing that I don't like about this broker is that sobrang laki ng swaps ng fee nila. Like, what? It just doesn't make sense. Napakalaki ng fee nila. $33. Like, is that normal? I don't know. I don't know if that's normal. That's the only thing I don't like about this broker. Pero yeah. Okay, so that's it. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.